Hey, good morning again. Thank you again. My name is Ken Smuts, president of Renco. Renco is a composite building solution. It's championed by our inventor, a gentleman, Turkish-American businessman named Engin Yesel out of Istanbul. He came up with his aha moment having a good glass of scotch and watching his kid play with Legos on the living room floor. He showed that to my partner and boss at Coastal Construction. Coastal's an affiliate of Renco, Tom Murphy. Tom loved it so much, we flew to Istanbul, checked it out, and he said, look, we got to do this. It's really cool. He's building 5-story buildings in Turkey out of composite blocks. This, something that's super lightweight. It's a fifth the weight of typical concrete construction, and really saves on labor and manpower, and you use unskilled labor to install it. No heavy equipment, no tools other than a rubber mallet and a glue gun. There's no concrete reinforcing, no grout, there's no rebar in it. Everything's adhesively joined. So our team, again, Coastal Construction, Engin Yesel, we put together a little video just to give you an idea of what we have here.
I just want to say one word to you. Just one word.
Yes, sir.
Are you listening?
Yes, I am.
Plastics.
Exactly how do you mean?
There's a great future in plastics. Think about it. Will you think about it?
Yes, I will.
Enough said. That's a deal. Think about it. Will you think about it?
Yes, I will.
Enough said. That's a deal.
Well, Mr. McGuire had a pretty good idea a long time ago, but we've taken that notion and turned a composite solution into a complete structural building system. Our products are comprised of unsaturated polyester resin, calcite, fiberglass. We join them together. We mold block shapes like I showed you here. We mold truss shapes, joists, decking, bridging, all kinds of materials. So you end up with a complete composite solution to what's going on here. We're economical, we're strong. We've heard about PSI, strengths of different things. Concrete block will break in a compressive test around 1,600 PSI. Our block is good for 16,000 PSI. We have 14,000 PSI in flexural strength. We have 6,000 PSI in tensile strength. So because of that, we've done all of our Florida testing in the high velocity hurricane zone. We just finished our first project up in West Palm Beach. It's a 170 mile an hour hurricane zone area. And we got residents moving in already. So super successful. Best thing about our product, super sustainable. We're using a high content of recycled materials, resins coming from plastic, and glass, fiberglass coming from recycled glass. They don't ever rust or rot. There's nothing in there to provide a food source for termites or rodents. Mold won't grow on it. Super sustainable. So what's the most sustainable building that has to be in the world? The building that doesn't have to get built. So if our buildings last twice as long, 3 times as long, 4 times as long as another building, then we've got a solution. So at the end of the day, why Renco? Engen came up with a great idea, but attainable housing. Miami has the problem. No one can afford housing around here. So how do you make this attainable? You need to make construction less expensive. So the way we do it, unskilled labor, no heavy equipment, no waste, and that solves a whole bunch of problems. So thank you for listening. Appreciate your interest. Have a great day.